Hello everyone, welcome to my video maker channel in YouTube. I am Jack Chen in Hong Kong, China. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a inhabiting magic ring. Many people know our Chinese fairy tale, the journey to the West. As you know, Wukong is wearing this kind of headband. How is this headband work? The tongue man making a magic word, and the magic ring will become tighter and tighter on the monkey king's head, and getting tighter and tighter, and make the monkey king feel very painful, so that the monkey king can obey his master Tang Man, what his master said. Because of this magic headband, it can make the monkey king calm down. Before, the monkey king is cruel and violent. He even killed a human. One time, the monkey king wanted to kill the robber, and his master Tang Man wanted to stop him. But the monkey king cannot stop to kill the bad man, kill the robber. And the Tang Man was get angry and drive monkey king away. So the Tang Man was single on his journey. And later, the Kuan Yin know the Tang Man is single on his journey, and know the reason why the monkey king was being driven away for the Tang Man. And Kuan Yin have her idea, give the monkey king one of the headbands to control the monkey king's mindset, so that can make the monkey king calm down peacefully and working and saving for the Tang monk. This is how the story of Inhibiting magic ring comes from. So today I'm going to share with you how to make this kind of Inhibiting magic ring. It can give you a lucky future. Let's do it. So at the beginning, we must have some design before it's a little bit complicated. So I want to say this is 1.2 mm and 16 cm length. Wire. And this wire, I want to make it 5 cm and bend it 4 cm. It will become like this. Bend it 4 cm. And this side also want to bend it 4 cm. Right? And then you want to trim here. Like this. And then this path. then make this rule more time. They will become like this. Okay, this is the one step by step. So let's you take our tooth, spire, hammer, manual, of course, the flash cutter. So let's start. First, I want to take 13. Okay, cut a little bit more. Cut it off. Wow, it's powerful. And then 4 cm here. Bang it. Here also 4 cm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Double check. Exactly. Now, as we said, we use the bell-shaped spire. Like this. And bell-shaped spire. Okay. Like this. Okay. Okay, like this. And here. Ta-da! Okay. use the channel spire is flat with no T. Went to adjust this more. Okay, manual. No yet. Okay, our manual. I was where 18. Okay, take my look, looks nicer and nicer. Wow. Because this is an empty, it's adjustable. Look, how nice. Okay, after a few minutes, we already made this one nice. This inhibiting magic ring, I strongly believe, can bring up good lucky. I'm strong believing in this. So guys, you should make one for yourself. Okay, that's all of today. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe my channel. I'm Jack Chen in Hong Kong, China. See you next time. Bye bye.